Hello children, welcome back to part 3 of the chapter Environment. This is me Manu Antony from Bhavan's Gandhi Vidyashram. In the last video, I have given you some questions to find out the answer. So today in this video, we will be discussing the answers for those questions. So before going into that, let's see what we have discussed so far from the lesson Environment. So we started off with environment. Environment means anything that surrounds us. Let it be place, people or nature. That is environment. Then we have discussed the different components of environment. Both natural and man-made. Biotic and abiotic are the classification of natural environment. Then we went on to discuss lithosphere. Lithosphere is the outermost solid layer of the earth. It consists of soil and rock materials along with minerals. Many different landforms are found there: mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Lithosphere includes both land surface and ocean floor. Then we discussed atmosphere. Atmosphere is the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. It prevents the sun's harmful rays from reaching the earth's surface. Then we discussed hydrosphere. We have seen that it's a domain of water, and about 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, and the presence of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. Then we discussed biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone where it is an interaction of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. And biosphere consists of both plants and animal kingdom. Then we went on to discuss ecosystem. So it is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live. Then we discussed human environment. Human beings plus their creations, social, economical, political and other conditions in which they live make up the human environment. Human environment is influenced by natural environment. Basic needs are fulfilled from the nature. So these are the things we discussed so far. Now we will discuss the question answers. First question: what is an ecosystem? All plants, animals and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. So whether it be plants, animals or human beings depend on their immediate surroundings where we are. They are also interdependent on each other. They depend on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organism and their surrounding form an ecosystem. So the relationship formed between the plants, animals and their surroundings make up the ecosystem. That's it with first answer. Second question is, what do you mean by natural environment? Natural, nature. So natural environment consists of land, water, air, plants and animals. Thus, natural environment is divided into both biotic, that is living, consists of plants and animals, and abiotic, which is non-living, and it is example is land. So this is the answer to the second question. Third question: which are the major components of the environment? The major components of the environment are natural environment. That includes all natural objects like air, land, water, etc. that make up the natural environment. Second component is human environment. That environment consists of human beings. And the third component of the environment is human-made environment. It consists of objects created by humans like industries, roads, etc. So that makes up the human-made environment. So these are the three components of the environment, that is natural environment, human environment and the third human-made environment. Next question, fourth question is, Give 4 examples of human made environment. So the environment which is made by humans. So examples are buildings, roads, parks and industries are some examples of human made environment. You can cite other examples also which is made by human beings. Fifth question. What is lithosphere? We have discussed this before, even today also we discussed. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals. So lithosphere is a top layer of the earth and it is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys. It's not the same everywhere, it keeps on changing. The landforms are different in different places. Landforms are even found over the continents as well as on the ocean floors. So this is the answer for lithosphere. Sixth question. What are the major components of biotic environment or living environment? So living organisms like plants and animals are the 2 major components of the biotic environment. So what are the 2 components of biotic environment? Plants and animals are the 2 major components of biotic environment. Next question is, what is biosphere? Biosphere is the narrow zone of earth where water, land and air interact with each other to support life. So lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere interact with each other and create a narrow zone, that is biosphere. So these were the questions that I gave in the last video and the answers also we have discussed so far. We are done with this chapter. From the next video we will start the next lesson. That's it for today. Thank you students and see you soon with the next video. Bye.